Thank you, everyone, for tuning into Billionaires Club 101. Today, I'm going to give a tutorial as I do this live. What I'm going to be doing is installing the GotBackup software to protect my files. So here we go. So I downloaded the GotBackup software. Going to open it up right here. Double clicked on that. It says this application may depend on other compressed files in this folder. For the application to run properly, it is recommended that you first extract files. So first I'm just going to just run it. And if you are a member of GotBackup or you became have a subscription with GotBackup, it's very affordable. It's $9.97 per month. You get 6 terabytes storage backup. These are for people who are looking to store. So GotBackup has a cloud-based storage file. You get 6 terabytes. Um, so there's an individual plan. Go ahead and click for all users recommended. So I'm gonna do it just for me because I can have other family members use some storage from my account. But yeah, you get 6 terabytes of storage, but also includes a business opportunity that stretches out in 133 countries. So that'd be a great benefit to you as you're using the software. And this is a live installation of GotBackup. I just want to let people know that if I'm going to use this, be a part of the business opportunity, I also want to back up some of my data all my data as well. And this is just a live presentation of it's actually a tutorial of how to back up your data. There's a lot of storage that we have access to. So while it, and then also GotBackup is running in the background of your system that you downloaded on, and this happens to be my laptop. And I have a lot of documents that I definitely want to safeguard in case a system malfunction takes place. To make sure I'm just protected. That's all. Set up. We'll go ahead with English. Okay. Go ahead and click on next. Also going to click on create a desktop shortcut. And then there's also install additional software, Microsoft Visual Plus, all that good information there. I'm going to go ahead and press next. Then I'm going to press install. Okay. And this is going to install GotBackup on my laptop. And then any other devices that you choose to back up, it's going to install. You're going to have 1 terabyte of storage space. Save all your files, your data, streamed music, photos, digital photos, anything that you want to save on a cloud. This is where you need to be at. One of the things is I saw the business opportunities of GotBackup, and it caught my eye. But then I was like, wait a minute, in my profession, I have a few businesses that I have, which is I am a realtor, licensed realtor here in California, and I'm also a licensed life insurance agent in 5 states. And one of the things that I do have is a lot of files I have to safeguard, and I have to keep them for a certain amount of years just to retrieve those if needed. And I want to make sure if my systems fail, I can go to the cloud from anywhere and pull those files out, have access to them, and provide those to whoever is requesting those. So I believe that for me, GotBackup is the system that I need to be in place for. I have a family. I take a lot of family photos. I can put those on the system as well. I just want to make sure that I put them in a place where I have access to, in case something happens to my files. So I'm very fortunate to be a part of this. So right now it says, please wait while setup installs GotBackup on your computer. So right now what it's doing is installing GotBackup on my computer. And more about the business opportunity, I'm going to put a link in the description box below. It's going to give you a preview of the business opportunity, but also the compensation plan. And remember, this opportunity is available as of now. It's available in 133 countries. That's correct. 133 countries have access to this as a business opportunity. So if you're in the business, earn some additional income, but also while saving your files, your data, giving you 6 terabytes. You can provide this for some of the family members that you choose to, and this will be a great tool for you to, or software. I won't say tools, software that you're going to be having access to save your files. So right now the system is just installing the GotBackup on my computer, on my laptop. It's going to take a few minutes while it does that. I want to thank you for watching Billionaires Club 101. And I'm doing this live. I just want to make sure people know that, when you are presenting an opportunity, you also got to show that you're a part of the system that, or the software that is in place. And for those who are in certain professions, this is a benefit for you to have all your data stored in a cloud-based software that is going to safeguard your digital assets, if that makes sense. So as the system takes its time to go through the process, I want to thank you for tuning in. And then if you go down to the description box below, I want to thank you for tuning in.